If you stood on the slopes of a restless volcano, you'd expect to hear the ground-shaking roars or the thunder of falling rocks. But volcanologists have discovered something far more unsettling. Before the fire, before the ash, and before the chaos, the mountain whispers. It's a low, haunting hum that vibrates through the soles of your boots. A sound so deep that human ears can't even process it as noise, but your body feels it as pure dread. In the world of geology, this is the scream of a waking giant.
Behind every moment lies a scientific wonder. I'm Kale, and welcome to SciCurios, where curiosity meets science.
Today, we're decoding the secret language of volcanoes and finding out how a mountain tells us it's about to blow, hours, or even seconds before it happens. So, how does a mountain whisper? Imagine a giant pipe organ. Instead of air being blown through metal tubes by a musician, we have molten magma and high-pressure gases being forced through narrow cracks in the Earth's crust. This creates what scientists call harmonic tremors. As the magma moves, it causes the surrounding rock to vibrate at a very specific, constant frequency, usually between 0.5 and 5 hertz. This is infrasound. It's below the 20 hertz limit of human hearing, but for a seismometer, it's like a siren going off. If the frequency starts to climb, if the pitch of the mountain gets higher, it means the pressure is reaching a breaking point. It's literally the volcano screaming because it can't hold the gas in anymore. One of the most famous examples happened at Mount Redoubt in Alaska. In 2009, the volcano began screaming so loudly, in seismic terms, that the vibrations reached 30 times per second. It was a continuous, rising tone that suddenly stopped. And in the world of volcanology, silence is the scariest sound of all. 30 seconds after the whispering stopped, the mountain exploded. Why the silence? Because the pressure became so great that it locked the rocks in place right before the final failure. It's like the deep intake of breath a person takes before they scream at the top of their lungs. By monitoring these acoustic signatures, scientists can now predict eruptions with terrifying precision, giving nearby towns those precious few minutes to evacuate. But it's not just about the tremors. There are also fumaroles, vents on the side of the volcano that hiss and whistle. This is the volcano exhaling CO2 and SO2. By listening to the chemical composition and the velocity of these gas whispers, we can tell exactly how fresh the magma is. If the whisper turns into a high-pitched whistle, the kettle is boiling. We're even using AI now to listen to these earth sounds. Machine learning algorithms can sift through thousands of hours of mountain chatter to find the specific patterns that lead to an eruption. We are finally learning to speak volcano, and it's saving thousands of lives. The Earth isn't just a silent rock. It's a living, breathing, and very loud planet. We just had to learn how to listen to the right frequencies. The next time you see a mountain, remember, it might be telling a story right now that we're only just beginning to understand. If you live near a volcano and the sensors picked up a harmonic whisper, would you trust the science and leave immediately? Or would you wait to see the smoke first? Let's talk about it in the comments below.
Science is everywhere if you just know where to look. Thanks for watching SciCurious. Until next time.